जय हिंद। लॉकडाउन स्टडी फ्रॉम होम सेशन में आपका स्वागत है। जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, मैं तस्नीम सैफी और आप देख रहे हैं चैनल तस्नीम्स विज्ञान शास्त्र। सो लेट्स मूविंग अहेड विद आवर लेसन ग्रेविटेशन। तो आइए आगे बढ़ते हुए हम नेक्स्ट पेज, दैट इज पेज नंबर 9 पढ़ते हैं। Before that, I will remind you, in last session we have seen the Earth's gravitational acceleration, and in that I gave you example of the feather and the ball. You know how the ball and feather, they both came simultaneously down at a time with the force of gravity of the earth. Earth की gravity की वजह से दोनों एक साथ जमीन पर आते हैं when there is no air resistance, no atmospheric pressure in the vacuum chamber. This video is already wonderful video uploaded. So this particular example carrying forward to same, here the most important thing of that ball and feather is the mass of the ball and mass of the feather. At that situation it hardly matters, because of the force of gravity they both came simultaneously down. So same it is then mass. So what is this mass exactly? So take an example, whatever I am having right now. See, I am having, this is a small, you can say a Vicks, and this is a small, you can say little bit larger than this. So if this two we compare, what you are able to see, the mass. So mass of this object is smaller than mass of this object, because you will see that what is mass. It is nothing but the amount of matter present in the object. So how much amount of matter is present in this object? That is nothing but the number of neutron, proton, electron. So इस तरह से जो neutron nucleus में होता है, that is the mass of it. So how much amount of matter is present in this object and how much amount of matter is present in this object, that shows us the mass. And this is what exactly the mass what we get in the SI unit, that is the kg, किलोग्राम में हमें mass मिलता है. That is how much amount is present. Now this amount present in the object, that you can see with the help of our own physical body. That is, if you are talking about you, so suppose if any man's object or whatever you can say, its mass is 50 kg. तो ये हमने काउंट कर लिया कि ये 50 kg है, that we have measured with the help of measuring scale. Now if we know this is the mass, and whatever the value which is present, the 50 kg or whatever this object presents, this remains same everywhere. आप यूनिवर्स में कहीं पर भी चले जाओ, इसमें कोई चेंजेस नहीं होने वाला, ना ये छोटा होगा ना ये बड़ा होगा. मीन्स इसके मास में कोई चेंजेस नहीं रहेगा. एनीवेयर इन द यूनिवर्स यू गो, इवन दो यू गो इन एनी प्लैनेट, ऑन द मून, इन द स्पेस, कहीं पर भी आप जाओगे इसे लेकर या आप भी, तो योर मास विल रिमेन सेम एवरीवेयर. देयर इज नो एनी चेंजेस इन द मास. This is what the most important point. Now here if you are talking about the mass, you will see here the most important, that is the mass of a person is, suppose here 50 kg, and it remains same everywhere. Now this mass or this person, when it goes in any place or any, you can say the position, if he is standing, then also its mass remain same. That is, mass never changes, and that's why it is counted in the numeric values, that is it is having the magnitude. So it is a scalar quantity. Even you can take a small ball, plastic ball, and a tennis ball. So you will feel that the difference between the two objects when you hold in your both the hands, that time you will feel the mass of the small plastic ball and mass of the tennis ball. The tennis ball is heavier than the plastic ball. So this is all nothing but the mass. Now this mass, whatever we can say, how you can feel कि ये heavy है या ये light है. So take one more example of the car. Now suppose there is car standing in front of our house or anywhere, and if anyone says कि come on push the car, so if you will push the car, it is really difficult. Sometimes आपको धक्का देकर उसे आगे सरकाना भी बहुत मुश्किल होता है, because the two most important things are there on that car. एक तो पहले कि कार का मास, the car is more heavy object, so कार का मास है. और दूसरी, the second thing is that the earth is pulling toward itself, the gravity of earth की gravity उसे अपनी तरफ खींच रही है, तो वो एक फोर्स है. तो मास और अर्थ की ग्रेविटी जो अपनी तरफ खींच रही है, वो फोर्स, ये दोनों फोर्स कार पर है, and it is very difficult to push the car and move ahead. So this is what the stationary object, when we want to move it, we have to give some force. So this already we know. So from this we came to know that force is nothing but mass into acceleration, क्योंकि अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट को मूव करना है मीन्स उसमें acceleration प्रोड्यूस होना चाहिए, and this is nothing but a simple, that is you can say the inertia. Inertia, that is how the object moves with the help of force. What we have seen that inertia आपको पहले ही पता है. So higher the mass, higher is the inertia. Lower the mass, lower is the inertia. So from that concept we know that force is directly proportional to mass and force is directly proportional to gravity. So from that we know that force is nothing but mass into acceleration, and when it is related to gravity, so force is nothing but force is equal to product of mass and gravity. So when it is related to gravity, that time what happens, ये जो mass है ये और gravity अगर हम इसे multiply करते हैं तो we are getting the force. So the same concept is nothing but our weight, that is mass and weight. The most important difference between the mass and weight. There are many myths. कई बार हमारी गलतफहमी हो जाती है, हम कई बार हमारा वेट चेक करते हैं, तो जब हम वेट चेक करते हैं तो हम क्या कहते हैं कि हम वेइंग मशीन पर खड़े हो जाते हैं और हमारा 50 kg, 60 kg, 47 kg, वॉट एवर वी आर गेटिंग, वी से कि हमारा वेट 40 kg है, हमारा वेट 50 kg है. वेट एक्चुअली इट इज नॉट वेट, इट इज अ मास. ये हमारा थोड़ा सा मिसकंसेप्शन है. व्हाई? Because mass, whatever is your 50, 60, whatever is counted in kilogram, that is not your weight. क्यों? क्योंकि when you are standing on the weighing machine, that time the earth pull towards itself. earth की gravity एक force है earth का जो अपनी तरफ खींच रहा है, और वो force और आपका mass ये देता है weight. So when you will see that force which is pulling toward itself because of the earth gravity, so earth की gravity की वजह से जो mass अपनी तरफ खींच रहा है, that force now here it is calculated as a weight. वही weight है जो force की वजह से, so that force is nothing but your weight, and now this weight is equal to mass into gravity. तो आपका mass, that is whatever जो 50, 60 जो भी होगा, वो अगर आप multiply करते हैं gravity which is constant 9.8. So when you will multiply this, whatever you are getting, for example, if you want to find out the weight and your mass is 60 kg, if you will multiply with 9.8, which is the gravity of the earth, that time you will get 588 Newton. So mass is calculated in kilogram and weight is calculated in Newton. Why? Because weight is nothing but your force. So this is what simple weight, SI unit of weight is Newton and SI unit of mass is kilogram. Now here direction is there, means earth is pulling towards itself. One more example you will see here. Now see, the tree and the apple is falling on the surface of the earth. So when apple comes down because of the force of gravity of the earth की gravity की वजह से, so that time that force pull towards itself. तो ये जो force है, that force which comes on this particular एप्पल, तो एप्पल का मास और वो ग्रेविटी दोनों अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, दैट प्रोडक्ट इज नथिंग बट योर weight, and this is the simple concept of the weight. So what is weight? Weight, it is nothing but the force with which earth attracts the object towards itself. In this way, the mass and weight, they both are, you can say, clarified with this such examples. Even you can say ki weight. Now when you go to the different places, different positions, if you change, that time the weight changes. How? Because already we have seen the last example that the shape of the earth, if we will see, the shape of the earth is, see how it is bulging at the equator and plane at the poles. So at this situation here, you will see there is the maximum gravity, and here at the equator there is minimum gravity. So when the gravity changes at the different places, different position, that time your weight also changes, as mass remains same everywhere in the universe, but weight changes according to the different places. So weight changes place to place. अब जिस place पर जाओगे वहां पर आपका वेट चेंज होता है. सो सपोज इफ वी आर गोइंग ऑन द मून, वी आर सेइंग इट इज 1/6 ऑफ द अर्थ, तो बहुत कम होती है वहां की ग्रेविटी. सो व्हेन यू आर कंपेयरिंग विद द मून, दैट टाइम योर ग्रेविटी इज टू लेस, and that's why when you want to feel your weight, mass remains same everywhere on the moon or anywhere, but your weight changes on the moon. And if example, if it is 60 kg on the earth, so it will be 6 kg on the moon. This is what the difference between the mass and the weight when they are varies from place to place. So according to this, as the weight is being the force along with the direction, means magnitude number भी है, न्यूमेरिक्स भी है और डायरेक्शन भी है. डायरेक्शन किस तरफ है, इधर अपवर्ड इधर डाउन. सो यहाँ पर ग्रेविटी का डायरेक्शन डाउन टुवर्ड्स द अर्थ है. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. मास इज अ स्केलर क्वांटिटी एंड वेट इज अ वेक्टर क्वांटिटी. सो दिस इज व्हाट अबाउट the weight and the mass on page number 9, and very nice example they gave here, that is colloquially we use, it is nothing but the simple language. कई बार हम कहते हैं ना कि चलते फिरते उठते बैठते, ऐसे वर्ड्स जो यूज करते हैं, the same we use both weight, mass and measure the weight in the kilograms. So here they have given one example, that is in scientific language we say that Rajiv's weight is 75 kg. We are talking about Rajiv's mass actually, not about the weight. So what means is the Rajiv's weight equal to the gravitational force of 75 kg? By using the same concept, 75 kg multiplied by the 9.8 gravity of the earth, if we multiply, we are getting 735 Newton, because weight is calculated in newtons. So it is 735 Newton. So in this way we get the difference. So the two scale balance in shop compare two weights, that is two masses. तो हम कहते हैं ना कि हमें 1 किलो या तो फिर 2 किलो ऐसे कोई भी सब्जी हम लेते हैं, तो that time actually it is the mass and not the weight. So this is what the simple concept of mass and weight. Okay, so now let's moving ahead. When we are talking about the mass and the weight, here on page number 10 they have given one example, use your brain power. So in this use your brain power, the two questions are given, and these two questions already we have solved in the last session. What will your weight remain constant as you go above the surface of the earth? So already we have discussed this, and even we have solved the example. Suppose you are standing on a tall ladder, if your distance from the center of the earth is 2r, तो मैंने आपको बता दिया था अगर आपका रेडियस डबल होता है तो ग्रेविटी में क्या चेंजेस होते हैं. द सेम एग्जांपल ऑलरेडी वी हैव सॉल्व इन द लास्ट सेशन, सो यू कैन गो थ्रू दैट सेशंस. Okay, not wasting the time again, let's move ahead. So when we are talking about all this thing, mass, weight or the objects which are moving here, ये सारी चीजें हमें पता कैसे चलती है, the gravity or the gravitational force. This all things we came to know, it is nothing but there are some waves which are created in our surrounding, and these waves which are on the surface of the water when we drop the stone into it. Do you know, it is given very nice, that is अगर एक पत्थर हम किसी पानी में डालते हैं, so that time you will see how the ripples are coming. You will see that the ripples are coming now in this way. You will see in this way पानी में इस तरह से ripples होती है, and this ripple comes, there are nothing but these are the waves from the water which we are seeing. तो ये जो waves है ये पानी में होती है. There are different types of waves, कई जगह पर ऐसे waves हमें दिखाई देती है. Not only this, but the light also emits the wave. तो जो light waves होती है, that is nothing but the electromagnetic waves, जो light rays से आती है. We know the main source of light is the sun, and through that such astronomical objects, such astronomical things, that also spreads the or that propagates the waves. So these waves which are coming from the astronomical object is nothing but the electromagnetic waves, and these are of the different types that we have know, that the gamma waves, एक्स-रेज होते हैं, गैमा वेव्स होते हैं, और इवन यू कैन सी द अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज, इंफ्रारेड रेज, देन रेडियो एक्टिव और द रेडियो वेव्स, माइक्रोवेव्स. These are some different types of waves, that is the electromagnetic waves which are near everywhere, हमारे आसपास होते हैं. अब ये waves it is very difficult to identify because they are very weaker, and many scientists has given their life, even they have invented so many things to show us these waves are there. ऐसे ही है gravitational waves. So what is this gravitational waves? It is said that ऐसे कहा गया है कि when there were no mammals, जब mammals वगैरह कोई नहीं थे, that time there were a big collision between the two stars. You can say बहुत बड़ा collision हुआ था, and during this collision it is said that when the two black holes collided on each other, that time during this situation such kinds of waves are propagated from that situation. और ये जो waves जो spread हो गई हर जगह, that wave spread everywhere in the universe. And this universe, you know, it is nothing but a simple, you can say, the fabric, that is एक universe एक space fabric के जैसे है. You will see this net, isn't it? This is the fabric, space fabric. ये space fabric में हर जगह ये waves फैली. And you know how the waves are there. वाटर में अगर पत्थर, पानी में अगर आप पत्थर डालते हो तो रिपल्स जैसे आती है, वैसे ही वेव्स हर जगह इस कोलाइजन की वजह से स्प्रेड हो गए. और ये ग्रेविटेशनल वेव्स की वजह से, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ग्रेविटेशनल वेव्स विच प्रोपोगेटेड एवरीवेयर, दैट स्प्रेड एवरीवेयर, इट इज मोर फास्टर दैन द लाइट. लाइट की स्पीड से भी कई ज़्यादा फास्ट है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डिटेक्ट. इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज दे आर वेरी 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 वीक, एंड दिस वॉज ऑलरेडी प्रेडिक्टेड 100 years बिफोर बाय द आइंस्टाइन. अल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन ने 100 साल पहले ही ये प्रेडिक्ट कर दिया था when he was studying with the theory of relativity कि such type of gravitational waves are there, but that time the instruments and possible all the material are not present, so he was not sure कि ये ऐसे है, but he already predicted 100 years, and after 100 years, now today you know that on 2016 we came to know about this wave. It was clearly given by the scientist that how this wave are spread and how they transport the energy. So ये waves किस तरह से, because of the bang, you will see that when the black holes bang, two black holes bang, that time such type of waves they spread and they propagated, and during this situation you will see that कि ये सारे हर जगह पूरे यूनिवर्स में ये ग्रेविटेशनल वेव्स स्प्रेड हो गई. और when they spreaded, this was introduced or this was detected by the well-known, you can say, that is the research LIGO, LIGO, Laser Interferometric Gravitational Wave Observatory. Now this on 11th Feb 2016, LIGO was first time scientifically announced that they had made the first observation of such weak gravitational waves, and these waves were very weak and sensitive. ये इतने weak और sensitive है कि उन्हें इतने अलग अलग तरह के सेंसर्स यूज करने पड़े ये डिटेक्ट करने के लिए, और लीगो ने सक्सेसफुली ऐसे सेंसर्स यूज कर ये वेव्स डिटेक्ट कर दिया. दिस इज व्हाट द लीगो रिसर्च सेंटर, यू विल सी अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर ऑल द अरेंजमेंट, वॉट एवर ये जो यहाँ पर उन्होंने अरेंजमेंट की है, अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट दे हैव shown us how the gravitational waves are present and how they are detected. So these gravitational waves, it is nothing but the invisible ripples in the space, and they travel at the speed of light, and they squeeze and stretch anything which comes in their path, and they passes off. Immediately they passes off. So this is how the LIGO, what they have given exactly after 100 years of prediction of scientists, these waves coming from the astronomical source. So Indian scientists also contributed significantly in this discovery. This discovery has opened a new path to obtain information about the universe. So universe की हमें जो भी information चाहिए, ऐसे वाले such research centers की वजह से we came to know many things about it. So such a weak gravitational wave which was predicted since long, today we are observing. So in this way the development is there. So this is how step by step development occurs in our live. So thanks and hats off to all the scientists and such research center, what at one place sitting here we are getting all the information. So in this way we have learned about the gravitational waves on page number 10. So if you like this or if you are having any queries, just comment me on my comment box and like it, subscribe it. Thank you.